before. Let me see it. You say you can't see it. Yo, that shit looks like N64 graphics.
Oh, and it just lagged just
Oh
then.
my god, that's so pixelated. What the f?
I know.
This is an old PC. Take a good look. Hey, we have PC build! Get off the graphics card, please. Okay, let's get started. I gotta respect Spectre. It came with a display port long enough, and it came with a screwdriver. Now we can all screw ourselves. Bruh. Look at this, y'all. Finn being a man. Look at this. Dual screen. 165 hertz. You'll never miss a frame of porn.
Now is if ever in Egypt, you are an idiot.
Alright, y'all, look at this. Finnegan building PC. Her dad will not believe this, so I have to record this. So CPU is gonna go in there. You know what? Forget montage, bro. We're just gonna before and after. Right? It's taking too long. Finn makes 2-minute videos, anyways. All right, y'all. This is called a sweaty PC build because I'm sweating balls. It's 80 degrees in this fucking room. Crikey, mate! Look, a woman being intelligent. Can you believe it? The female putting thermal paste, and she's doing it what they told her on YouTube. Mr. Cat, how do you feel? Tiger Cat, how do you feel? It's a scary moment. Ah! It works first try. Even Linus can't do that shit. This is day 2 of the bullshit vlog. We did finish the PC build, but only to get installed.
Because the RAM never arrived.
We gotta go get RAM right now at Best Buy. I finished putting the rest of the bullshit, which is gonna take at least another 12 hours. So, here's the moment of truth. We finished everything, and the cable management, trash.
Caca.
Well, let's see if this is caca, right? And then switch the plug in the back. Do you see how smooth that mouse is?
Yes.
The game is called Colorful Stage.
Oh, look, it's Crystal. What do you have to say about autoimmune disease?
The thing I want to say.
Why are you jerking your
Nothing. I got nothing to say. Everything's fine.
Hello, boy.
Opening door.
Son, look at this. She's getting 500 on a good moment, 500 frames a second. She was getting only 30 last time, and she couldn't play on full screen before she crashed.
Rocket League.
Why? Why are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you doing it?
He became you before the PC build. You're 20 years old now. How do you feel?
More deader than ever.
Celebrating tonight? No. We're celebrate.
Yo, let's go! Let's go!
I'll help you out. You want?
Give me the...
I am now. You wanna get? Yo, there's no way you're gonna do that. No. Are you sure? No.
I died 320.
No problem.
Yo! I died 20... Yo! Yo, her face.